Good evening, guys. I am John Russell Santiago, and my topic is imperfection in solid, types of deflect, and their influence on material performance. So, what is imperfections in solids, types of deflects, and their influence on material performances? Imperfections in solids are irregularities in a material's crystal structures, such as missing atoms, dislocations, grain boundaries, and cracks. These defects can change how a material behaves, sometimes weakening it by reducing strength, and other times improving properties like hardness, strength, or electrical behavior. Overall, defects are naturally and greatly affect a material performance. Overview the topic. Imperfection in solids are deviation from a perfectly arranged crystal structure. These defects may form naturally during solidification or appear through mechanical, thermal, or chemical process. Even though they are called defects, this imperfection is strongly influenced in physical, mechanical, electrical, and thermal behavior of materials, sometimes even improving how materials perform in real-world applications. Key concept: crystal defects are irregularities in atomic arrangement. They influence strength, ductility, conductivity, and hardness. Engineers manipulate defects for improved performance. Types of imperfection. First, we have point defects, vacancies, interstitials, substitutional atoms. Second is line defects, dislocations, or edge and screw. And next is planar defects, grain boundaries, twin boundaries, stacking faults. And last is volume defects, force, cracks, and inclusions. So this case study is strengthening steel. Alloying iron with carbon creates interstitial defects. And defects block dislocation movement. And the result in a stronger, harder, and more durable steel. Example of semiconductor doping. Adding phosphorus to silicon introduces substitutional defects. It increases electrical conductivity, and last is essential for electronics and microchips. And the reference is, so this is the end of the lecture, so thank you very much.